where the rain taps light. Cups are clinking, setting morning right. With Bossa Nova easing all our strife. Cake and coffee bring us back to life. Flames a flicker in the fireplace glow. Jazz notes dancing, oh so sweet and slow. Someone's laugh, a gentle hum nearby. In this moment, where just you and I. Coffee cup with cake stacked high. Underneath this rainy sky. In this cafe, hearts align. With every sip and bite divine. Barista calls out a morning brew. Hints of vanilla just like you. We share a glance, a secret smile. In this warmth, let's sit a while. Raindrops drumming on the window pane. Syncopated rhythms, jazz refrain. A stolen kiss amidst the noise. Morning's melody pure and poised. Coffee cup with cake stacked high. Underneath this rainy sky. In this cafe, hearts align. With every sip